creates a new space in the industry, a space that could be defined as the premium mid SUV. A segment born from listening closely to evolving consumer needs and pushing ourselves to innovate beyond benchmarks.